आइसक्रीम
डन क्या है ऐसे बोलो ना कि ऐसे चाहिए तुमको उल्टी
First of all, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. Today, I, Shravan of class 10th D, is going to present a small presentation in front of you. And my subject is bio. And my topic is life process. So, first of all, what is life? Any living organism that breathes is known as life. And what is process? Process is a type of cycle. Uh, uh, that you have read in your previous classes, a cycle that first a caterpillar is there, then he goes to pupa, then butterfly. Uh, so uh, first of all, I want to tell you that what you will see. How would you know if anyone is alive or not? You will see a dog running or a man shouting and a cow chewing their food, and you will say that is alive. But what about if they are asleep, and then you will say they are breathing, and then you will know that they are alive. Then what about plants? Then anyone will say that plants are green. Plants are green, and you will say that they are alive. But what about the plants that don't have the green leaves? What about them? You will say some of you will say that they grow over time. So you will say they are alive. Now, uh, now movement over very small particles. You know that very, movements in our skill in our body in very small particles doesn't show. Uh, uh, like virus do not show any particular movement in our body. If virus affect our bodies any cell, then it will show any movement. Then and living creatures must repairing and maintaining their structures. Now, um, what are life processes? The maintenance functions of living organisms must go even when they are not doing any particular movement.
बापू को फोन कर दे बापू भी देख लेंगे
The processes which together perform this maintenance job are known as life process. Now, since these maintenance process are need to prevent damage and breakdown, energy is needed for them, and that energy is come from food that we eat. Now, so there must be a process to transfer a source of energy from outside the body of the organism, which we call food, to the inside. A process is commonly called nutrition. Now, depending on the complexity of these carbon sources, different organisms can then use then use different kinds of nutritional processes. Uh, Now, what is respiration? The process of acquiring oxygen from outside the body and to use it in the process of breakdown of food sources for cellular needs is known as respiration. In multicellular organisms, all the cells may not be direct contact with the surrounding environment. Thus, simple diffusion will not meet the requirements of the cells. Now, what is nutrition? We also need materials from outside in order to grow, develop synthesis, protein, and other substances needed in the body. This source of energy and materials is the food we eat. How do living things get their food? The general requirement of energy and materials is common in all organisms. Every organisms take food inside in different by different processes, but it is fulfilled in different ways. Some organisms use simple food materials obtained from inorganic sources in the form of carbon dioxide and water. Other organisms utilize complex substances. These complex substances have to be broken down into simpler ones before they can be used for the upkeep and growth of the body. To achieve this, organisms use biocatalysts and enzymes. Now, for this autotrophic nutrition, carbon and energy requirement of the autotrophic organism are fulfilled by photosynthesis.
अरे गधे, फिर से बोल और सीधे क्या बोलते हैं, किताब की तब देख बोला कर, उधर देख किताब से
एंड कर दो
हेल्पिंग मिलेगी।
एंड कर दो, आज को डिसलाइक मिलेंगे। एंड कर दो।
नहीं
चेंज मत करना, पिट जाएगा फालतू।
वो उसकी एडिटिंग हो जाएगी बीच में, उसका ऐसा कुछ नहीं है बेटा, ठीक है। देखो आप जो उसको मेन तब से जो आपने गलती हम लिखवा रहे थे ताकि वो गलती आप सुधार सको, तुम तो वही गलती कर रहे हो दीपक वाली।
मैं पता नहीं घबराहट आ गई अंदर से।
अभी ना तुम बोल रहे थे दीपक को वो कॉन्फिडेंस उसके पास ऐसा है वैसा है।
कॉन्फिडेंस
बेटा वहाँ बैठने में चाहे एक कदम की दूरी क्यों ना हो, बहुत सारे चेंजेस होते हैं, ठीक है। पता चल गया ना।
तो ये मेरी लाइफ की पहली प्रेजेंटेशन थी, आज मैं
अब डेली होगा हमेशा। नहीं अभी आप तीनों में सिर्फ इंडिपेंडेंस के लिए कुछ छोटी 2-4 लाइन लिखो, 2-4 लाइन के और फिर भाई एकदम बहुत अच्छी से, ठीक है। कोई रैप वैप नहीं गाने, कोई कुछ वो नहीं करना, अच्छे से, ठीक है। स्पीच टाइप की।
कितने लोगों ने गालियां लिखी?
74 चल रहा है हमारा।
अभी किसी ने सब सो रहा है।
हे भगवान
90
47
हो गया तब वो
48 मत कर दियो।
मैं भी इंडिपेंडेंस भाई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लो और आंसर खुद ही ढूंढ लो।
चलो सर ठीक है। अभी से
एक्सक्यूज मी सर। सर
यस
सर व्हाट
जी
इज
बोल। यस
ये तुम्हारे घर पे जा रही है।
बोलो
सर व्हाट इज हाइड्रोस्फीयर एटमॉस्फेयर? सर you are teaching life process.
Sir, can we?
Sir, main things.
One by one. Sir. First, you will
Sir, what we understand by life process? Can you explain in detail?
I have already explained. I will not tell in second time. Okay? You are not attentive. Yet sleeping in my class. Yeah, you are out. Yes, you.
Sir, what is hydrosphere, atmosphere?
I am in 10th, not in 7th. Okay? Yes. 7th class. Okay.
Sir,
स्कूल के टीचर ऐसे कराते हैं।
green revolution.
What?
What is green revolution?
You idiot! I am in 10th.
अरे सर कुछ आता भी है, चुपचाप बैठ जाओ। चलो टाइम ना पास करो। चलो टाइम ना पास करो, फीस नहीं मिलने वाली आपको। चलो बैठ जाओ साइड में।
सर ये क्या है?
सर सारा
अरे, ऐसा book है?
सर सारा बुक से टेप है।
अरे, tearing my book. You.
So what is autotrophic nutrition? What is the formula of glucose?
I have
What is photosynthesis?
सर formula of photosynthesis.
Sir, what is the formula of glucose?
ओके जस्ट स्टॉप, ठीक है।
Chemical formula.
Sir, we will not do anything. Sir, you go and do
मुझे
whatever.
टीचर की याद आ गई, ऐसे गालियां देती थी मुझे।
जा तू जा।
बोली भाई अब तो
चलो उसे वापस रीसेट करके बोलो मुझे।
सही बात।
अरे वन
इसकी फिर से है ना?
अब देख क्या
ओ भाई साहब
इसकी खड़ी थी।
एंड करना है,
अरे मेरा
सेव नहीं करना।
रीड करो सब रीड